3.
Hello everybody, Mr. Chia here again. So today I want to talk about one micro lecture on uses of accounting. Now this particular topic is also one of the subtopic in the chapter 1. Okay, so let me be brief on this micro lecture. I want to split this lecture into two components. First component is the internal uses of accounting information, and the second component is the external uses of accounting information. So let's look at the first component, the internal uses. Now we can categorize three types of internal uses. Okay, the management, first category. Now, how does this work? Managers use accounting information daily so they can make relevant decisions on how to run the business. Now, second type of internal people using are, for example, the employees. The employees will look at the accounting information and decide accordingly what to do, especially when you're talking about actual compared with budget. All those variances, the accounting variances, should be viewed by the internal management or the employees so that they will know what counter action or measures to take. Now, third category of the internal users are, for example, the shareholders. They want to look at the accounting information so they can decide to invest or divest in their shares, or to request in the annual general meeting what is the relevant dividend payout for them. So please understand that internal information for accounting information for internal sometimes is more detailed because of the various requirements. Now we look at the second category of users, which are the external people. Now they are actually unlimited type of people external people who will look. But we can summarize, like for example, the first one, the government. The government like to know your accounting information to see whether you make a profit or you make a loss. Whenever there's a profit, the government wants to impose company tax on you. Okay, another one of the external users, like for example, a banker. A banker would like to know your accounting information in order to decide whether to grant you a bank loan. Bank loan in what time duration and in what amount. Okay. Now the third type of external users may be suppliers. Suppliers may want to know whether are you making a profit and how is your cash flow. So if the information shows that you don't have much cash in the business, right? Therefore, maybe the supplier is not going to supply the raw materials to you.